This is the RapidFix Dual Adhesive System. The RapidFix Dual Adhesive System is made up of two parts, an instant adhesive and a welding powder that can be used in several different ways. The instant adhesive can be used by itself to bond two smooth surfaces, or it can be combined with welding powder to reinforce bonds or to fill holes and cracks. Let's take a look at the instant adhesive first. It works like this. When you use this liquid adhesive to bond two surfaces together, the oxygen between them is eliminated, which causes the liquid to instantly harden. Before you push the surfaces together, make sure you have them positioned exactly the way you want them, because the adhesive cures instantly. Each bottle of instant adhesive is backed with a 12-month guarantee that it will not dry out in the bottle, and in many cases it can last several years if stored in the right conditions. The second way you can repair items is by combining the instant adhesive with the RapidFix welding powder. The welding powder acts as a catalyst for the liquid adhesive, and when combined, the bond cures instantly. This can be useful for heavy-duty repairs when you want to reinforce the bond from the outside, or it can simply be used to fill holes, gaps, and cracks. With both applications, they dry instantly but may not reach full strength for up to 24 hours. Both are also non-toxic and heat-resistant up to 395 degrees Fahrenheit. But what materials does it work on? It works on nearly everything such as metals, glass, ceramics, and most plastics. The only thing you will not be able to bond is certain plastics such as polyethylene and polypropylene, or fibrous materials such as nylon, Teflon, or anything permeable. You will also struggle to bond wood to wood because the wood's porous surface will absorb the adhesive. However, you can still fill holes in wood by using the welding powder. For more product information or demonstration videos, check out our YouTube channel or visit rapidfix.com. Thanks for watching.